As we mentioned earlier, it is the time of year to start to focus on family, gratitude, and blessings. And one way to do that, while also getting crafty with your family, is to create a blessing tree. Amy Latta is still with us. She's explaining more of this blessing tree and how we're going to use our salt dough leaves. Thanks for being with us, sticking around.
Of course.
So in our last segment, we made our salt dough, we rolled it out, we cookie cut our leaves, put them in the oven. Okay, now they're out, and what are we going to do with them?
Okay, so now you're going to have these nice little hard leaves. And one thing that you can also do that we didn't get to mention is if you know you want to hang them, you can use a toothpick to poke a hole by the stem before you bake it. So then they're already going to have a place for you to put string. If not, it's no big deal. You can see some of mine on the tree didn't have that, so I just hot glued the string on. But the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to attach something as a hanger. So I just used some twine and just threaded it through that hole and tied a knot.
Okay.
And then all you have to do is think about the things that you're grateful for. And each one you're going to write on a different leaf until you fill the tree. So I just have a permanent marker here, a fine tip one. And I'm just going to put my son's names on here. And if you look at the tree, you'll see we've got family, we've got friends and neighbors, we've got
pets.
school,
Yeah,
our
I see
pets,
that.
and Good Day PA, of course.
And food.
Yes.
Okay.
So once you have that, it's ready to hang. So you just find an empty spot on your branch. Now we were talking earlier during the break, Amanda, that this came off of a tree in our yard. So all I did was I went out and cut a branch, or you can find one that's fallen down somewhere in your yard or your neighborhood. So again, this is a really inexpensive project too. The branch was free, and this is just literally flour, salt, water, and cinnamon. And then I put it in a flower pot with some soil just to stand it up. And then you can display it in your home as a reminder of all the different things that you're grateful for.
And the one thing you did say that you learned is this is more of a inside decorative item.
Yes.
Does better indoors.
Yes. If you want to put it outside, I would use some kind of a sealer on the leaves first, because what happened, I put this on my front porch and it looked so cute, but then it rained, and even though the leaves didn't get rain on them, the moisture in the air got absorbed and they got kind of soggy.
There you go.
So you want to protect them by keeping it indoors or by using a spray sealer if you're going to put it outside.
And if you do all of that, you were saying this salt dough, the ornaments, they last for years.
They do. So you can use them for years to come, and it can even be a family tradition to hang them on a new branch each year.
Cute. Yeah, I love that. Okay. So we also were talking, last year you were with us and you did this blessing pumpkin, which is so cute and so simple. Just writing everything that you're thankful for on top of a pumpkin with a Sharpie. You have a lot of great projects like this. So how can our viewers keep up to date with you?
So all of my projects are online at amylattacreations.com. I have all kinds of fall things. I also just today put up the post for how to do this napkin ring with the same cinnamon salt dough that we made in the first half. So lots and lots of things there. There's lots of DIY Halloween costumes. There's things for Thanksgiving, and of course, I know I'm starting my Christmas shopping yesterday. The boys always get PJs on Christmas Eve, and I saw something that Noah just had to have. It's a baby Yoda with a little hood, so I started my Christmas shopping, so Christmas projects too.
Oh, you've got it all there. Make sure you check out her website. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Stay with us. We'll be right back.